Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we're unboxing the 2026 Cupid Box. If you don't know what the Cupid Box is, it's an annual box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out. It's seasonal, so Valentine's themed. It has a lot of fun sewing and quilting goodies inside, and a lot of times exclusive items as well. So we're going to take a look at the 2026 box. And here's the inside of the box really quick. It's just super cute, so I wanted to show you. And you can of course recycle these, but they're also great boxes to use for storing some of your smaller quilty projects. All right, we do have our insert inside that tells us everything inside this year's box. And then here is the insert, and they do have a special deal for you. Get one free Fat Quarter Shop exclusive Olfa Coral 45mm rotary cutter with purchase of $60 or more, and the coupon code is on the back there for you. Okay, let's take a look at the first thing in our box. So we've got these cute little heart pins. They're red heart plastic head pins by Boheen. They value at $4.48, and it says, straight from Cupid's sewing kit, these red heart plastic head pins make every project a little more love-struck. Each bright red heart adds a playful pop to your pincushion and a flirty flair to your sewing, quilting, and stitching projects. This set of 30 pins is cute, practical, and full of passion. They're the perfect way to pin down your next Valentine's creation, and these are super cute. The next thing in our box is this Frosting Cute Cuts Trim It 6.5-inch square ruler by Riley Blake Designs. It values at $11.48. Perfect cuts made with a little love at the right angle. Lori Holt's Frosting Cute Cuts Trim It 6.5-inch square ruler helps you measure, trim, and square up like a true quilting Cupid. Cute, clever, and precise. It's the perfect match for your Valentine-inspired makes. From patchwork to pretty piecing, every cut feels like it was meant to be. And this is really cute, and it's got the little flowers on there, so that's a fun ruler. The only thing you need to know about these rulers though is that the markings on them are different if you've been using, say, a Creative Grids ruler. So I always have sort of a hard time using Lori's rulers. She puts the 1/4 inch around the outside edge. And so when you're doing like 1.5 inches or something like that, I think they're just a slightly harder to read, but they are super, super cute. I love the pink. I love the little flowers. Okay, the next thing in our box is the Tea Rose Seam Roller. This is also by Lori Holt, values at $20.98, and it says, Cupid knows a little pressure goes a long way with its rosy pink handle and smooth wooden roller. This will flatten your seams in seconds, keeping your blocks crisp and your workflow effortless. Sweet yet sturdy, it's the perfect mix of charm and strength, ready to press through every project you love. I love my other seam roller. I have another one. It has the blue handle on it. It's probably one of my favorite tools, and I did look, and this one's actually a wider head on it, which I like. So here's the original version that I have, so it looks like it maybe got a little bit of an upgrade. It's got a wider roller on it, and then the handle is a little bit easier as well. So I'm actually really happy to have another one in my arsenal. I love using these. If I'm too lazy to heat up my iron, or I just want to get a bunch of things sewn really quick, I will actually just use my seam roller, and then I'll go back and hit it with the iron when I'm done. All right, the quilt pattern in this year's box is the Full Hearts Table Runner pattern. This is a Cupid Box exclusive, values at $9.98, and it says, love is stitched into every block of the Full Hearts Table Runner. This sweet pattern brings together heart-shaped patchwork and shades of blush pink and red for a look that's pure Valentine joy. We're so in love with this charming design. We hope you are too. It's the perfect way to turn Danny Mogstad's Full Heart Sew in Love fabrics into a heartfelt project that warms every table and every heart stitch by stitch. They do have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop as well, and you do need a few extra supplies for the backing and binding, but otherwise it's really cute. It basically has these little heart blocks and then the XO blocks and then the heart blocks. So, and that table runner finishes at 22 by 62, so that looks like a super cute, fun project for this season. All right, here is the fabric for this year's box. Full Hearts Sew in Love Fat Quarter Bundle by Danny Mogstad for Riley Blake. The value is $32.48. Fall head over heels for this darling 10-piece Fat Quarter Bundle from Riley Blake Designs. Danny Mogstad's Full Hearts Sew in Love collection is a charming mix of dainty florals, cheerful hearts, vintage sewing notions, and timeless gingham in shades of blush pink and red. It's the perfect match for any project, including the Full Hearts Table Runner pattern by Fat Quarter Shop in this box. Okay, and I wanted to take this one out because it looks really cute, and I don't think you could see it all as well when I was holding up just the bundle. But look how cute that is. It's got rotary trimmers, thread, scissors, flowers, a little cross stitch piece on there, sewing machine. That is just really, really cute. Okay, that's everything that came in this year's box. I did add it up for you. The retail value for this year's box is $79.40. I think I'm really happy with everything in this month's box. The fabric is beautiful. The pattern is super cute. I love a good seam roller, so I'm all in for that. And then the heart pins and the ruler are super cute as well. So that's going to be it for this year's unboxing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing from the Cupid box was. Also, let me know if you got the Cupid box. They're probably sold out at the time of filming this video because they've all been shipping, but you can always check their website and see if they have any left. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun, and I will see you in the next video.